Hey guys, Dan here with Sterling Self Defense. Going outside with the drone killer. Working on the truck. There's Zach. Hello, Zach. You got to stay inside, buddy. All right, let's hope the chickens aren't over by the truck. See how the drone killer does the penetration. I got it loaded up with 8-gram joules. This FSC is modified to take patrol carbine mags. I got a 10-round mag in there. Alright, no chickens, no chickens. Ah, you fucking... Every time I come out here to shoot, you guys are right there. They're never right there. Only when I want to shoot. Alright, guys. Chicken dinner tonight or what? It's unbelievable. They're always in the yard out there. They got acres and acres of woods to go in. No, you got to sit in front of the truck. I got to shoot. All right, guys, hit the road, Jack. Don't come back. Come on. No more. Get chickens. Go. It's not over here. You're picking at rocks. Go. Come on. No. Oh, go. Rooster, go. Rooster, go with chicken. Go. Go. They're rocks. You're not missing anything. Go. Hey, get. Chasing chickens. Go. Go. Get out of here. Go to your home. This is not your home. Go. All right. Unbelievable. All right. Drone killer. Back door. See, we got a chrono the first one. Oh, let me air this up. Come on, slide check, move. My slide check is not working. There we go. All right. 8-gram joules. Probably gonna shatter like a motherfucker. Whoo, 660. 586. 578. 568. Whew, 546. 556. Ooh, 598. 574. 564. New spot, 590. There goes the gas. We got a lot of shots out of that, though. High power shots. Woohoo! Look at them holes. I got nice holes in there. Whew. Big joules. None went through, though. Good, because he still didn't take that crap out. Didn't go all the way through. Woohoo! There's some joules inside of there. Probably get a lot more penetration dead on. With the angle, I'm skipping off a little bit on some of the shots. But I don't want to shoot it dead on and have him come back and freaking hit me, or even worse, hit my Apple freaking Pro $4,500 freaking glasses. And I'd rather take a shot to my stomach. Whew. That one did anything. No, didn't go through. All right. That's the drone killer versus the truck, guys. We got to get Andrew to clean out the inside so we can shoot some windows out. Not with this. That's a bit overkill. Way too many joules for windows. All right. That's it, guys. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe. And buy American.